how you can fix KRA Excel sheet showing an error and refusing to open up some document. So as you can notice, when I get into this KRA document, you can notice I'm seeing an error here. So this error means that some documents are hidden and I cannot be able to get this document due to some errors caused by macros. So some macros are blocking me from accessing some form. So right here, if we have other income, which are here, let me in case I enter my personal identification number in KRA and try to visualize some P&L account and a balance sheet account here, they are hidden here. I cannot be able to access them. So basically what you need to do in order to fix this problem, just close the document, head on into a file explorer, come to where we have download, just click above that document, then come to where we have property, then click unblock, hit apply, and then hit OK. Then after doing that, you can confidently get back, click above the Excel form. You can notice a lot of brokage have been removed, and we can be able to open our document automatically. So for instance, we can enter our PIN here, and when we enter our PIN here, you notice that we will not be having this problem again. Let me show you how we shall enter our PIN here and avoid a lot of problem. So I'll just enter my PIN here. Let me enter it. I think we are supposed to start with cap 015 40 300 307 7A, but I think I can just demonstrate by just choosing I have other incomes, and let me fast follow the protocol. So I can come here and choose original. I can choose the return date faster, and I show you the document which were hidden. 2024, since we are filing for 2024, to drive fast. Let me wait. I think I'm a bit faster. Let me refill again. So it is, let me retry again and delete this information, the return period. So we have said it's from January 1st, January 2024 to I think it's jumping. My computer is a bit lazy now, to have overworked. Let's give it a minute. To 31st December 2024. Yeah, as you can see, the error, we are done with the error, and the error is no longer here. So what you can do if this does not solve your problem, you can use another simple step, which involves just clicking the option file, then coming to where we have more, then choosing option, then coming to where we have trust center, get into the trust center settings. Then what you are required to do again, just come to where we have the macro settings, enable macros, though this is not recommended since you can be experiencing some dangerous document downloading using your Excel, but for this case, just enable it for this case and then hit OK, and you'll be able to get these missing options here which were showing error before, and do your filing very simple. So basically, thank you for watching.